炒过炉子之后的打结料，首先第一个颜色会有区别，更白，没有水分色。第二个可以看到里面有淡料的氧化比。After heating of furnace before shipment, have two different. One is the color. You can look the cement color is more white. Second, you can look this is just the steel. Steel have some like after heating of steel, you can see this color. So it means all the furnace is have the just coating, have the heating before shipment.